My name is Bashiru Mansari from Freetown, Sierra Leone. I came from a family of 7 and one of 5 siblings. I'm still single with no child yet. My hobbies are athletics, football, research, and music. My favorite location is Makeni, a city from the northern part of Sierra Leone, where I actually came from. My best foods are rice, fruit, and fries. I like reading Shakespeare's novels. I like soft R&B and also reggae music. My current career is information technology technician, but in the future, I'd like to be an epidemiologist or a community health worker. Thank you all.